tractors, the Model T car, and also the tractor and components. 577, that's part of it. There's more over yonder. Then you've got the Massey Harris pony and its components all ready to go for somebody. It's all neatly laid out. Weren't quite completed. All work in progress for Mr. Krafka. And there's all kinds of other types of pieces. Motors, partial motors. And here's some more of the Model T tractor. Lot 577, tires, axles, rear end hubs, etc. That's a real nice project for somebody. So anyways, thought you'd like to see that. Hope you enjoyed it. And it's a great offering for somebody. Bid, buy, and win. See you Saturday.